I had this slide up at the beginning, but I'm just going to go through what I mean by it. So this solution is open to all English-speaking African nationals. I appreciate that that's who are listening today. The majority are listening. You might be from another country, but anybody that's English-speaking is open to you to apply. It'll be a guaranteed 10-year USA green card within 18 months if you follow the recommended solution. So this isn't about a lottery. This isn't something that's speculative. You go down this route, 18 months from now, you can start your new life in America. Part of that solution is a guaranteed job, okay? It might not be the job you want to do for your entire career, but it's guaranteed. You can go to America and start that role 18 months from now. So start planning if that's what you want to achieve. And the cost of entry, you only need about $20,000 to get started, and we'll come on to the cash flow of this solution in a minute. That allows to get the ball rolling.